Welcome back. There's a bit of a secret St. Louis music fans have been keeping. It's called Songbird Cafe, and it's the passion project of one man and his love of live music. About once a month on Wednesday nights in Maplewood, across from Saratoga Lanes in Pyomai, is a musical experience unlike most in St. Louis.
It's the kind of place where you can hear every word.
It's an idea Steve St. Cyr, a retired accountant with a passion for live music, strummed up several years ago after lots of trips to the Bluebird Cafe in Nashville.
I was looking for something to fill some of my time, and I've always enjoyed music and live music, and thought, you know, maybe I can kind of do my little version of the Bluebird Cafe up here in St. Louis.
So in 2011, he gathered a flock of local musicians.
And I give you Bill Thomas, Taylor Steele, Emery and Mel.
And Songbird Cafe took flight.
She was born in a cabin in the country, down amongst the beaches and the pines.
It's an intimate performance in the round that typically features four singer-songwriters.
Singer-songwriter is more often than not telling the story through the song.
You know, 28 years, she followed all the rules, in there while she wishes for.
But this model is for them to tell a story, hopefully, before the song. And it's either about how they crafted the song or the idea that gave birth to the song, or maybe something unrelated to the song, just something in their music experience. But hopefully a story that gives the audience some insight.
But this one is called Was I Wrong? And a reflection of my relationship at the time.
A rare show.
Tell me I'm alright.
With no cell phones or side conversations.
If people get loud, they get tapped on the shoulder.
Everybody's here for one reason, and that's to listen to the talent in the room.
She knows the hurt deep inside.
A room that once you get into, you'll probably come back to.
It's just a couple of hours to sit back and just appreciate what you have here.
Songbird Cafe pops up about once a month. The next one is tomorrow night at Focal Point in Maplewood, but it's already sold out. It's an incredible experience, and you can learn more at songbird-stl.com. Well, you know, we have so many